Hey everyone, Casey here from Rancilio. Today we are going to be talking about Variable Soft Infusion with the Silvia Pro X. Now it sounds a lot like pre-infusion brewing, but it isn't. Pre-infusion brewing is pressurized, utilizing about 30% of your pump's pressure. Variable soft infusion utilizes an ambient pressure, and it's just like it sounds, a very soft infusion of hot water on the puck of coffee. When active, the brew valve opens and lets hot water from the coffee boiler soak the puck. It is programmable, meaning your machine will do the same thing every time once you set a time. So how do you use it? Variable soft infusion is setting FO8 in the menu. You simply activate it by choosing how many seconds you want it to be active. Once you exit the menu, it will save your selection. To use soft infusion properly, it is very important that you flush the group at full pressure. To do this, you hold down the group button for just over a second. The display will say F and it'll stop automatically. This ensures that the brew group is fully saturated for best results. What does soft infusion do? Well, with variable soft infusion, you can elongate the pressure ramp up that the coffee sees by using more soft infusion. So the longer you soft infuse, the longer that climb up to maximum pressure will be. The flavors we experience with the soft infusion have been stellar. Now let's taste those two coffees from before. This sample without soft infusion is nice, but I feel like it could give me more. But this sample with soft infusion takes this espresso to a whole other level. It has a silkier body and less acidity. I love that variable soft infusion allows me to play with my coffee and create different experiences from the same bean. Try out soft infusion and let us know what you experience. And stay tuned for more educational content from Rancilio.